if you're tired of trawling through long YouTube videos just for one little bit of information that the title promises, then you're not alone. I felt that same frustration, so this is the antidote. Now, I've got an example here that's actually not very long, but just it's a good, relevant example. So let's get straight into it, what you can do. So let's say you find a video you want. In some cases, they'll be very long. The first thing, you can search for keywords, okay? And most videos should have this. If you click the three dots and press open transcript, this is basically transcript of what you would see in the closed captions area. Okay, so if you had the subtitles on auto-generated, some cases they might have finessed them, but either way, from there, press Ctrl and F and type in a relevant keyword. Now, before the video, I just put in minute, and you can press down or you can hit enter to scroll through them. Now, in this case, if you look at the video, I press back up, it takes me straight to the key points about minutes. Okay, so takes 2 minutes to communicate what you want, make a 2-minute video, takes 20 minutes, make it 20 minutes. I've got the main thrust. I don't have to watch the video. If I click on it, you'll see it jumps to that point in the video. Now, this is just a short one, but let's say if I wanted to go over to here, just one I saw the other day, an hour and 20 minutes long, and there's a title here, Alex Ferguson knew everything. Okay, about a football player, just a little bit of gossip, let's say. So, did he really say this? Is that what the person said? Rio Ferdinand, the football player, the former Manchester United England football star. Press open transcript. It's a good way for fact checking as well. Ctrl and F, knew everything. And then if I skip to it, then I'll see,
I heard he knew everything.
okay, the other guy who was interviewing him, the interviewer said it. The person that said didn't. So it's a good way to root out clickbait as well. I got another one here with Elon Musk. I don't give a damn about your degree. I've already checked this one and I think you can see where this is going. Clickbait. Did he say damn? It's only found in the title, so it's not even in the transcript. Elon Musk doesn't say that, but you get the idea. This can help you to really flick through and just get to a key point in the video by clicking, using Ctrl and F to keyword search. Hopefully that'll make your YouTube a lot faster and more efficient. And remember to check out my playlist on YouTube management and analytics for more. And I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.